Let's see this question. The question is, let f is the function from 0 to 4 pi to 0 to pi is defined by fx equal to cos inverse of cos x. The number of points x belongs to 0 to 4 pi, satisfying the equation fx equal to 10 minus x by 10 is. Okay, this question has been asked in IIT in 2014 JEE Advanced. Okay, in paper 1. Okay, in integer type. So let's discuss this question. In this question, we have given a function, okay, and that is cos inverse of cos x. Also, we have to find the number of solutions of the equation fx equal to 10 minus x by 10. Okay, the only way or the best way to solve this question is graphical method. Okay, that is, we'll solve this question by graph. Okay, so by graphical method, we need to know the graph of fx, also the graph of this 10 minus x by 10. So 10 minus x by 10 graph is very easy. That is a straight line, Okay, but we should know the graph of cos inverse cos x also. Okay, so first of all, we'll see the function cos inverse cos x. Okay, and their nature and their graphs, everything. Okay, so let's discuss about this fx equal to cos inverse cos x. Okay, so here we have fx equal to cos inverse of cos x. Okay, now first of all, to draw any graph, okay, we should know domain and range of that graph. Okay, that function, in fact. Okay, what is domain of this function? See, domain means what? X value, okay, for which this function is defined. Okay, here is cos inverse function. Okay, so the cos inverse function is having limited domain, that is -1 to 1. Okay, so clearly, this cos function is also having range -1 to 1, whatever the value of x will be. Okay, for x real number, this cos x is -1 to 1. So this cos inverse easily digests that value. Okay, because the domain of cos inverse is also -1 to 1. So we can take domain as real number, no? Okay, clearly domain of this function is real number. Okay, now what is the range of this function? Okay, for x belongs to real number. Okay, this cos x belongs to -1 to 1. Okay, and clearly for -1 to 1, this cos inverse is 0 to pi. That is the range of cos inverse. Okay, in its domain. Okay, so clearly the range of function we can say is 0 to pi, and that is the range of cos inverse function. Clear? Now, to draw the graph of function, okay, we have to suppose this function as y, okay, fx as y. Okay, so let me discuss about the graph of this function. Okay, so graph of fx equal to cos inverse cos x. Okay, so to draw the graph, just take y equal to cos inverse of cos x. Okay, now apply cos on both sides. We'll get definitely cos y equal to cos x. Okay, now from the general value, okay, this y will be equal to 2n pi plus minus of x. Clear? Definitely this y equal to 2n pi plus minus of x. Okay, then for different value of n, we'll get different graphs here. Okay, different functions, in fact. Okay, y equal to, for suppose n equal to 0, for n equal to 0, we'll get y equal to plus minus x. For n equal to 1, we'll get y equal to 2 pi plus minus x. Okay, and so on. Okay, let's write some functions here for some values of n. Okay, so we can say for n equal to 0, our function is y equal to plus minus of x. Okay, and this is straightforward, a straight line. Okay, very simple straight line, y equal to plus or minus x. Okay, then for n equal to 1, clearly this is y equal to 2 pi plus minus of x. Okay, and for n equal to 2, clearly this is y equal to 4 pi plus minus of x. Okay, also for n equal to minus 1, we can say y equal to minus 2 pi plus minus of x. Okay, and so on. Okay, we can find many branches here. Okay, but no need of many branches. We'll predict by drawing these branches only. Okay, and so on. Now let's draw the graph of these branches. Okay, and see the graph of this function. So let me draw the axis here, coordinate axis. One more thing here, this graph is between 0 to pi. Okay, that is about this function is bounded. No, you have studied in class 11th. The bounded function means what? The range is limited. Definitely here range is limited because range is 0 to pi. So our graph will be between 0 to pi only. Okay, so what we'll do, we'll draw one line that is y equal to pi. Okay, so let me draw one line, dotted line, just to show the boundary. Okay, this line is y equal to pi. Now, according to your branch, see our first branch we have found here y equal to plus minus of x for n equal to 0. Okay, so let me draw that branch is very simple branch. So clearly y equal to pi means, okay, you can say like this, y equal to, sorry, x means this one. Okay, this branch is, let's suppose y equal to x. Okay, so clearly this value will be pi because y is pi, then x also pi, this for y equal to x. Okay, now next y equal to minus x. Clearly this branch will be like this. Okay, this branch. Okay, this is y equal to minus x. Okay, next is for n equal to 1, y equal to 2 pi plus minus x. Okay, so 2 pi plus x or 2 pi minus x can be drawn like this. We can draw like this. See this branch. Okay, and clearly this is 2 pi. So this graph is 2 pi. See, this graph is y equal to 2 pi minus x. Okay, we can check here. For the x equal to pi, this value is pi, no? Y equal to pi. So definitely this graph will be like this. Okay, next is 2 pi plus x. Okay, clearly 2 pi plus x graph will be like this. This will originate from this 2 pi only. Okay, like this. Okay, and this will be 3 pi. Okay, this graph is y equal to 2 pi plus x. Sorry, not 2 pi plus x. This graph is, sorry, this graph is x minus 2 pi. Okay, this graph is y equal to x minus 2 pi, y equal to x minus of 2 pi. Okay, as you can see here, if you stress this graph, okay, this graph will cut this y-axis at minus 2 pi, no? Okay, definitely at minus 2 pi, this will cut. Okay, so definitely this graph will be x minus 2 pi. Also, we can see this is 3 pi, definitely. Okay, so it's at 3 pi, this should be pi, no? So this is definitely y equal to x minus of 2 pi. Okay, now next branch is like this. Okay, and this is 4 pi here. Okay, and what about the graph? Sorry, equation of this branch here? Can you guess? This is y equal to what we can say. See, if you stretch this graph, this will cut this y-axis at 4 pi. No? Okay, so what can you say about this? This is 4 pi minus x. Okay, see, as like this, At 0, this is y equal to plus minus x. Definitely at 2 pi, one branch will be, if one branch is 2 pi plus 2 pi minus x, then one will be negative of that branch, that is minus sorry, plus x minus 2 pi. Okay, definitely from this one, okay, from this 4 pi, two branches will come. One branch is 4 pi minus x, then definitely the other branch will be x minus of 4 pi. Okay, similarly this graph will goes on. Okay, and this is minus of 2 pi. Okay, and this side, this also, this is minus pi, and so on. Clearly, by seeing the graph itself, we can say this function is periodic. Okay, because this part which is 0 to 2 pi is repeating itself. Okay, you can see. Okay, so let's try some observation about this graph. Okay, so we'll write some observation here. First of all, the first observation is cos inverse cos x function is periodic. Okay, periodic with period 2 pi. Okay, next we can observe for 0 to pi, if your x is 0 to pi, okay, this cos inverse cos x function is simply x. Okay, see the graph is y equal to x now. So we can say for x belongs to 0 to pi, okay, cos inverse cos x function is equal to x. Okay, it means if you wish to find the value of cos inverse of cos 1, then value is definitely 1. Why 1? Because 1 is lying between 0 to pi. Okay, see in this 0 to pi, this 1 will lie, no? So definitely this branch will come. On this branch y equal to x. So this simply this x will display here. Okay, also if you'll find cos inverse of cos 2. Okay, what is cos inverse of cos 2 here? Same 2, no? Because this 2 is also between 0 to pi only. Okay, also this cos inverse of cos 3 equal to 3, because 3 is less than pi. Okay, so 3 will lie also before pi. Okay, but if somebody asks you what is cos inverse of cos 4, then this is not 4. See, cos inverse of cos 4, is it 4? No, it is not 4, because this 4 will lie on this branch. Okay, and the equation of this branch is 2 pi minus x. Okay, so the function, the value will be 2 pi minus of 4. Understood, no? Okay, if somebody asks you what is cos inverse of cos 5, what will say? Okay, you know this 5 is less than 2 pi. Okay, so definitely same branch will come. So again 2 pi minus 5. See one more thing here. Okay, while finding this cos inverse of cos x value, okay, always this even multiple of pi will come. Okay, always the value will be around this even multiple of pi. Okay, but you should think here, you have to think one thing here. This value should not be negative, because the range of cos inverse cos x is 0 to pi. Okay, so see every time we can't draw the graph, no, because if they'll find, if they'll say what is cos inverse of cos 100, okay, in that case we can't draw the graph, and we can't see, you can't actually compare the values there. Okay, just keep in mind, okay, one trick here, okay, that the cos inverse cos x value is always even multiple of pi minus something. Okay, or what we can say, value minus of even multiple of pi. Okay, like this branch. Okay, if the value is on this branch, okay, if value is on this branch, then you can say like this. Okay, if value is on this branch, okay, see the branch here. Okay, we have written the equation of that branch is here. See this branch here. Okay, this branch is x minus 2 pi, no? So if the value is on this branch, So definitely that value minus of even multiple of pi. If that x is on this branch, okay, then even multiple of pi minus x, you can say. Okay, now our aim is to find the solution of that equation. Okay, now just find the solution of that equation. To find the solution of that equation, okay, we need to know uh, the graphical solution of any functional equation. Okay, I mean to say, we have to find, see here, we have to find number of solutions, okay, of cos inverse cos x equal to 10 minus x by 10. Okay, we have to find the solution of this number of solution of this function, this equation, in fact. Okay, so solving equation by graphical method means what? Okay, what is the meaning of number of solution? We'll draw the graph of this function as well as this function, and we'll check the number of points of intersection. Okay, so now first of all, we'll draw the graph of this cos inverse cos x, and this drawing the graph of this function, this right function, is very easy because it is a straight line. Okay, so what we'll do, we'll draw the graph of y equal to cos inverse cos x function, and we'll draw the graph of this also, y equal to 10 minus x by 10. Okay, just write in simple form here. So writing in simple form, we will get 10y, okay, plus x equal to 10. No, just cross multiplied, and I have taken this x this side. Just divide by 10, so we'll get x by 10 plus y by 1 equal to 1. And this is a very simple form. We have studied in straight line that this form is x by a plus y by b equal to 1. Okay, and that is double intercept form. Okay, and drawing any straight line, okay, using this form is very easy. Okay, just you have to mark 10 comma 0, okay, on x-axis, and 0 comma 1 on y-axis. Okay, so we'll draw the graph of this both. Already we have drawn the graph of this y equal to cos inverse cos x, so we'll copy that graph. Why to draw? Why to waste time? Okay, so let's copy this graph again. We need only some part, that is 0 to 4 pi, so no need to copy all this part. Okay, so I've copied this part. Okay, let's copy here. Okay, fine. Now see, just we need this 0 to 4 pi part. Okay, we don't need this part. Also, we need to draw the graph of this x by 10 plus y by 1, okay, equal to 1. And for this part, just mark this 10. 10 is more than 3 pi, so 10 will lie somewhere here. Okay, let's take this as 10. Okay, and 1 will lie somewhere here on y-axis. Okay, this is pi. Okay, so let's draw the graph here. To draw the graph, we'll take another pen, some other pen, some other color. Okay, so let me take a line. Okay, wait. Okay, the line will be like this. See. Okay, this line here. Okay, and this point will be 0 comma 1. In fact, this point is 0 comma 1, and this is 10 comma 0. Okay, now the graph of the equation of this line is y equal to 10 minus x by 10, sorry, 10, not x, this is 10. Clearly we can see the points of intersection here. Okay, one point is here. Okay, but see, you can't take this point because we have to find in 0 to 4 pi, so no need to take this point. No need, wait, no need of this point here. Okay, okay, let it be. Okay, one point, wait, one point is here. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, there are 3 solutions. Okay, definitely no, you can see from the graph. Okay, from 0 to 4 pi, these two graphs, okay, y equal to 10 minus x by 10, and this y equal to cos inverse of cos x function, okay, is cutting at 3 points. No, one is here, one is here, one is here. Okay, so there are 3 solutions here. Okay, we're getting 3 solutions. Also we can find that solutions also, because here the graphs are easy, because this is y equal to x and this is y equal to 10 minus x by 10. So we can find the value of x by solving these 2 equations. Okay, for this solution. Also we can find x value for this solution. Also we can find x value for these solutions. Okay, but in the question it is only asking number of solutions. Okay, so our answer is 3. So we can write here, therefore number of solutions equal to 3. Okay, fine. Thank you.